Hi everyone, I'm super excited to try out a new product from Lordhair today that is perfect for the summer. It's called Lite Cosmos. As you can see, the Lite Cosmos features an A-shaped hairline, which is perfect for a brushback hairstyle. So today, I'm going to style it with a brushback look. The Lite Cosmos is a full mono-base hairpiece that is more durable and lasts longer compared to full lace. And what I love about this system, it is 80% light density, which looks more natural. I've always been asking the company for lighter density stock hair products because less is more, and not that many people have that super thick hair in real life. And also, I want to share a trick for taping mono or lace this type of hair system. Currently, I've just placed the tapes around the edge of the system. Under strong light though, the tape might shine a little bit, which is perfectly fine because no one would actually notice it on your head. However, if you're a perfectionist, I'm going to show a trick to get rid of the shine. Okay, so first of all, remove the tapes from the hairline and then place them slightly further inside the base. Next, place the hair system on your head as usual, and then apply got2b gel or spray to the lace area. Since I've run out of spray, so I'll be demonstrating with the gel today. Wait until the gel or the spray is dry, then gently press down the lace onto your forehead. And don't worry, the gel will securely hold the frontal lace in place. And there you have it, everyone. Do you see the difference? The hairspray method makes it even more realistic. However, as I mentioned, it's not a must. And what do you guys think about this light density hairpiece?